Tracking a vehicle shouldn't feel like rocket science, but with hundreds of cheap knockoffs online, it's hard to know what actually works. I bought and tested the top 5 GPS trackers on the market to see which ones have accurate signals, reliable apps, and battery life that actually lasts. Whether you're watching a teen driver or managing a fleet, here's what I found. Product number 1, Bouncy GPS Tracker. I'm starting with the Bouncy because it was honestly the easiest to set up. It just plugs right into the OBD port under the steering wheel, no wires, no tools, and no batteries to charge. When I used the app, I was surprised by how fast the refresh rate was. It felt pretty much real-time. What really stood out during my testing wasn't just the location tracking, but the vehicle health data. It actually told me about engine codes and battery health, which is super useful if you're driving an older car. It also tags hard braking and rapid acceleration, so if you're monitoring a new driver, you get the full picture. The subscription is under $10 a month, which is the cheapest on this list. If you want something that takes 5 seconds to install and gives you maintenance alerts, this is the one to grab. Product number 2, Optimus Wired GPS Tracker. If you don't want something sticking out of your OBD port where a thief could easily pull it, check out the Optimus Wired Tracker. I had to pop the hood to install this one, connecting 2 simple wires to the battery. It took me about 10 minutes, but once it was done, I loved that I never had to worry about charging it. Since it draws power directly from the car, it's always on. During my drives, the 30-second updates were reliable, and the app gave me solid reports on speeding and harsh driving. It's a lot more discreet than the Bouncy since it's hidden away under the hood. The monthly fee is around $13 and you can cancel whenever. This is my top pick if you want a permanent, set it and forget it solution that doesn't need constant babysitting. Product number 3, Brickhouse Security Spark. Nano 7. Moving on to something for long-term tracking, I tested the Brickhouse Security Kit with the extended battery. This thing is bulky, but for a good reason. The magnetic case is seriously strong. I slapped it onto the frame of my truck and it didn't budge even over potholes. The big selling point here is the battery life. With the extended pack attached, you're looking at up to 140 days of power. I didn't have to charge it once during my entire testing period. It also works internationally, so if your car crosses borders, you're covered. The subscription is a bit pricier, starting around $18 a month, but you're paying for that massive battery and rugged waterproofing. If you need to track a trailer or a car that sits for weeks without moving, this is the heavy-duty option you need. Product number 4, Optimus 3 GPS Tracker. If you like the idea of a magnetic tracker but the Brickhouse feels too massive, the Optimus 3 is a solid middle ground. It comes with a twin magnet case that's totally waterproof. I stuck this inside a wheel well and under a seat during my tests, and the signal stayed strong in both spots. Battery-wise, I got about a month of use before needing to recharge, which is decent for its size. The app allows you to customize updates to every 10 seconds if you need extreme precision, though that kills the battery faster. I really like the instant alerts for entering or leaving zones. I got the text message within seconds of the car moving. It covers the US, Canada, and Mexico. It's perfect if you need a portable tracker that you can easily swap between different cars without a complicated installation. Product number 5, Cube Pro GPS Tracker. Finally, I looked at the Cube Pro. When I first unboxed this, it felt very industrial. It has these built-in mounting screws and magnets, making it tough to remove if you decide to bolt it down. The standout feature here is the internal battery. Cube claims it lasts up to 1 year on a single charge. In my time with it, the battery percentage barely dropped, which is impressive. It uses cell tower triangulation alongside GPS, so the accuracy was spot on even in some tricky areas. The subscription is around $16.50 a month, but it includes everything. I also like the sharing feature. I could send a link to a friend so they could track the vehicle too. If you want a tracker that you only have to charge once a year and hides easily on a trailer or heavy equipment, the Cube Pro is a beast. Honest tracking keeps your mind at ease, and any of these 5 will get the job done depending on how you want to install them. I've dropped links to all of these in the description below so you can check the current prices and see which subscription plan fits your budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.